Children learn from their environment as much as from instruction. A home, their maps are on walls, books are on shelves, and questions are written on whiteboards quietly tells children, in this house, we value learning. You don't need an expensive study room. Stick a world map near the dining table. Put a small whiteboard in the kitchen with a question of the week. Display your child's work proudly. These small environmental cues compound over years into a deeply learning-oriented mindset. For example, Sneha's parents put a world map above the dining table and started pointing to countries whenever they came up in conversation. By age 10, Sneha could locate 80 countries without any formal geography lessons, simply through repeated casual exposure during meal times. Her geography scores were consistently among the highest in her class. Follow for more tips and don't forget to visit us. Thank you.